I. Today we are here with math in physics, you know what I'm saying? So I will show you how to solve this exercise. First of all, I will try. No, I will read this. So in this situation, they say that two automobiles are equipped with the same single frequency horn, and one is at rest and the other is moving toward the first at 11 meters seconds. The driver at rest has a base frequency of 7 hertz. So in this situation, you have to understand that the single frequency here, horn, is the same as two cars or two automobiles. I will try this like this. Yeah. And the other one on the right side. I'm not good at drawing, but I try to do my best. So yeah, this one is standing. I will write this like S for standing, and this car is moving, you know. Plus M moving car. We call this moving car MC. So yeah, these two car produce like excuse me, these two car produce like a frequency of uh yeah, frequency of F, because it's not even. You don't know. They only say that the driver at rest has a bit of frequency, like 7 hertz. So what it means is that I was right first of all the formula as beats like this. Beats say that he can um decide the difference between the frequency to be heard or that we interpreted minus the frequency of the noise or the frequency of the I don't know how to say this, of the frequency of the 222, because horns, the 222, they call horns. Horns is like this. They're making some sounds. And they say that the horns is equal to F. And the F, you can say that it's equal to the first car and the second car. It's a little bit of the situation that you have to imagine in your head. And you have to know that what the second car interpreted or heard is 7 hertz, and the 7 hertz is just like this. Two, two, two. When you have your, I don't know how to say that. You have your thing there, as a Mercedes, you can handle it. When you're a driver, you know. On the middle, you can make some noise, or make some noise. You just have to push it and then make some sounds. That's what car one is doing, like here. And two is just interpreting the frequency of one. That's why I said here one. But I can also call this one MC, like this. Okay. But we have to search what F1 MC is. We only know the F beats, like it is 7 hertz. F1 is like nobody knows. Nobody knows F1 is. Where we can find it. F1 is of F1, comma MC. Damn. MC is equal to the F2 that heard the sound of from car 1 divided by 1 minus the velocity of the car 1 divided by the V of the sound, like the sun in the air, you know. Always don't forget this. I will call this sound, you know. Then I just have to prioritize this. Uh, I say prioritize. I said bracket. So that's your F1, comma MC. F2 is just standing there, you know. It's just the frequency of your T T T T T. No, what we're gonna do is like um we can say that FB from beat, you know, is equal to F2 divided by, I will say it later, divided by 1 minus V1 divided by V sound. All right. Damn, I'm almost there. Always don't forget your brackets. And because this formula say that it's an absolute value, I will put this sign like this. I mean, I will write it good. So yeah, like this. I will put the sign of the absolute value minus F2. Okay. What we know is that FB is 7 hertz. F2 we don't know. We want to search this because it's it's the question of the situation. What is the frequency that the horns emit? The horns is like the t, like I drive it like here. So I will erase this. Damn. It's first time that I use this method because people ask me to do it like this. So yeah, I will erase this too. Okay. Yeah. So I will write this equation further here. So what we need is that FB was equal to this formula, but we want to have F2, you know. How do we do that? We're gonna first say that FB is still equal to F2, So we're gonna separate the F2 like this. And look at carefully what I'm doing right now. 1/1 mean V1 over B sounds. Okay, sounds good. Damn, maybe, but you got it what I'm trying to do. So here minus 1 because we separate the F2 on the other side. I mean, next to each other. Damn. So I go further. We want to know F2. So F2, fait comment prévu de frapper. F2 is equal to FB over 1 over 1. Damn, I will erase this for confusing, minus V1 V sums. Damn, don't have choice. Sums brackets minus 1. I will erase this too for the confusing. And so if FB it was equal to 7, V1 it was equal to 11, V sound, V sound is just when you see this, it's always 300, 300, 300, 340 meters seconds. So you're gonna get this answer here. But it will show you like 200. It will show you 200, 9, 9, and furthermore. But you have to put this in two significant figures. It means Dutch to BC. So like this. Fais frapper, me parle pas. Je crois pas que je fais une vidéo là. 21 times 10. That's what you get. You have to put this. 21 times 10. I hope you understand it. If you got a question, put this on the comments below. Give a like, and subscribe, what I'm saying? Stay tuned for more. Let's get it.